Hi everyone, this is a continuation of our Butter Heart class. We've been having some series ever since. So what I'm doing here, I'm just laying my fabric. This is the under of our brain where we have the wire. So I'm just laying the fabric properly. Please and please make sure you iron your fabric. Very, very important, okay? But yeah, I didn't iron mine, but please make sure you iron it. It makes your work look neat and very, very sharp, okay? So then after you just cut it out, make sure you are cutting it neatly. Cut it round the butter, the cut it round the carry board. Then you put a hole at the middle and cut off the excess. Please, when you are cutting this, try as much as possible to cut it neatly as well, okay? Cut it neatly. Then after then you're just going to notch the fabric along the line you've already notched on the carry board, okay? So this is our work, as you can see, and I hope to see your practicals. I hope to see your work, and I really hope yours will be more beautiful than mine. All right, if you are enjoying the video, please just give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We are on Facebook, the Sis Craft. Subscribe, like, and please also turn on your notification. Just watch the video closely, you will understand what I'm doing. What I'm doing here, my fabric was not really laying flat, so the gum was not really enough on the fabric, so I just reapplied my new issue gum and I laid it down very, very well, okay? So we are going to be using our wording. Some people call it breast pad. So we are going to be laying in on it. This will enable our butter hard brim to be very, very soft, and it's going to give it a good finishing, okay? If you have the light one, you can make use of it. So what I did here, the part of the uh, breast pad that has a shiny part is facing up. So to enable me to iron my fabric to my butter hat, so it's facing me while the other part is facing down. So I'm just applying my new issue gum, and as I'm applying my new issue gum, I'm applying it round that notch part. Why? Because I don't want my breast part to get to the edges of this carry board. Just watch closely, you will understand what I'm trying to do here. Watch closely. If you don't understand, please try and make sure you play the video over and over again, okay? You see how I did mine, and just replicate it and you will have a nice finishing, okay? Continue washing. Make sure you are laying your work using your hand to flatten it, to smoothen it out so that it will flatten on the carry board. That is very, very important. Make sure you are flattening it out, but most importantly, iron your fabric, okay? Iron it, because when you iron your fabric, when you're seeing your work, you're going to be very, very happy, because it's going to be very, very smooth, okay? So make sure you do that. Keep on washing, and if you are getting value, follow us on Facebook, the Sis Craft, and also on TikTok. Do wait to follow us, please. And please, if you have watched to this extent, just subscribe to our channel. Thanks in anticipation. Thank you very much. I hope you are enjoying the video. I hope it's not too long. I think I'll be needing your feedback. Is the video, if the videos are too long, so I'll know how to shorten them. But I really think they are well detailed. So I didn't want to miss any parts. That's why I make it very long. Okay, so you see every bit of what I did. Hope you are enjoying it. If you are enjoying it, just give it a like and subscribe to our channel. So yeah, I'm just reapplying my UA sugar to make sure my breast pad will gum to it very well. And please make sure when you are after applying your UA sugar, allow it to get sticky. Wait a little while for it to get sticky before you start laying your fabric or laying your breast pad. Okay, if it's not sticky, it's not going to gum. So just wait a little, and then allow it to get sticky, allow it to get a little dried, not really dried, but just a kind of sticky before you start laying your fabric. Okay, so I'm trying to apply my UV shoe gum again. So I'm going to be laying my main fabric on the butter hat now, on the carry board. Now this is the brim, so I'm going to be laying the main fabric on it. Now this is the fabric I'm really using for the butter hat, so that's what I'm going to be laying now. After laying it, smoothing it out, I will always say that make sure you are using your hand to smoothing it out. It will help your work to look very crisp. Okay, your work is going to look very fine at the top. Okay, but make sure you are waiting for the UHU gum to get sticky. Very important. So what I did here, I just turn it over, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cutting around this material, leaving 1 inch. I'm going to be cutting around it. I'm going to leave 1 inch to enable us to get her neat finishing on top at the under of this brim. So that 1 inch, we are going to use it to get our neat finishing. Okay, so you cut through again the same way I did with the other fabric. Just cut through it again. At this point, you can take it to your ironing table and you give it a good press, but I didn't do mine yet. I just wanted to finish on time, so I didn't do my nails. After everything, I iron my butt. If you iron yours before starting your work or during, it's going to make your work come out very neat. So I encourage you to do that. Okay, all right, so just keep washing and you see what I'm doing. So what I did here, I just left about half inch after the carry board. Can you see what I'm doing? Just watch closely, you will understand it, and try to replicate what I'm doing here. Okay, if you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to our shiny app by now, please subscribe to our shiny and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Hope you are enjoying the class. Hope you've enjoyed it. I would like to really get your feedback